Hello folks, so in this video I'm just walking up here on the driveway here to Valentin EL Patriarca's lobby, and I'm a part of a group with Valentin, and I saw this within the last 6 months and I was surprised. They have been doing little things in the last year, and this happens to be it. You see this green, all of this green all the way to the backside, to this far left when you're on the walking up is all green here. As you can see here, it's all green compared to this gray stone. It was more of a kind of it looks kind of green, but it's gray stone. This is all now green. They painted this whole thing all the way across. They painted it. You can also see here that this has been painted along this walkway all the way down somewhere there. I can't see as far over there, but I think it goes all the way past the carts over there, just over there past that second pillar. It has been painted red. Now they're doing little things like that, and in one other video that I mentioned, all of the seating is now metal, which you can watch this video of me talking about the metal seats. Here's the metal seats. All of them have been replaced, as far as I can tell, instead of the wood ones. Probably to save money long term. Anyway, thank you very much, everybody. I wanted to show that. Like I said, I wanted to show you this green. I had seen this picture of somebody posting about this green. Not because they were showing the green, but they happened to take a picture of it, and I'm like, oh my god, they changed it. Didn't know. And then, of course, they changed the paint color of this concrete area up here. So thank you very much, everybody. I wanted to talk about that again as one of a few videos that I've been doing so far. So thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao.